By using GutenChief, you can add more than 20 affiliate tools to your WordPress website. It's really fast and easy to use. For example, here in my blog, I wrote about a movie review, and all these section box or elements are created using GutenChief. So let's check it out. To start using GutenChief, simply click the Add Block button. Scroll down until you find the GutenChief modules. Then you can choose which one you want to use. For example, in this post, I'm using the review box to create this awesome movie score section. And every GutenChief blog gives you this customization and design settings, so you can add your own content, change the color design, and so on. GutenChief is a facial WordPress plugin for your website, so go download your copy and see you on the members dashboard.